Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sailor D's Anime Toys and Collectibles. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining. Hopefully you subscribe. I am unboxing the Petit Chara Christmas special for the Outer Senshi. So here it is, the Petit Chara Pretty Guardians Sailor Moon Christmas Special Guardians of the Outer Planets. Let's have a closer look at the box. It is so cute. Those are the Outer Senshi, except for that one. I don't know why they didn't use Chibi Moon in this one. It's the Outer Senshi. Down here we have the 25th anniversary logo with the Christmas special Guardians of the Outer Planets. The English Sailor Moon logo right there with Mega House. Some snowflakes and some beautiful, beautiful embossing. And on the bottom of the box, we've got their silhouettes there. Super cute. And on the side here, we've just got a nice festive snowflake box with moon and more snowflakes. On the back, we've got a picture of all the figures on the inside, and on the left here we've got the silver Toei sticker indicating that it is international release and not the release from Japan, which actually came out for Christmas. And on the top, the same as most of the other artwork, same as the other Inner Senshi box art. So that is really cute. So I'm going to open this up. Ooh, that's cute. Cute little pink-red background in there with snowflakes. Flacon de neige. And these guys are housed in their plastic. And there's just tape here and just right here. So I'm gonna get that off. Oh boy, alright, let's take that off. Oh my, they are so cute. There are so many. So let's put all these guys over here, and I am going to speed things up a little bit, and you guys can just watch me assemble all of these together, and then I'll go through one by one. So these are all pretty much the same. They just have their own colors, but they all say the same thing. Merry Christmas. They all say Merry Christmas. Just super cute. Okay, so here they are. So here she is. Focus. She is so cute. And as you can see, the paint that they used on these are much like the glitter versions of the original figures that came out back in 2014. There's a nice white gradient on her hair. And yeah, if you look closely, you can see that her brooch is from the 3rd season. And her cute sparkly wings and her little shoes. These are cute. Originally I wasn't too excited about these, but much like the inner Senshi, when I got them, I'm glad I have them. And they're much cuter in person than they are in pictures. Here we have little Sailor Uranus, and she's holding a little present. She is also very, very sparkly and shiny. And the hair color on this particular Uranus figure is unique in the way that it looks like they used 3 different colors for her hair. They've got a really dark tan, and under here with that like flesh tone shine color, and a nice beigey blonde, which is different for her, but I like that. It's super cute. And over here we have her partner, and that is Sailor Neptune, and she has got something in her little pouch. She has the cutest little face. This is one of my favorite Neptune figures, I think. Now, they just go in there. This one's a little bit loose, but that's okay. I'm not going to be moving them around too much once they're displayed anyway. So cute. Love it, love it, love it. Now let's look at Sailor Pluto. And I really like this one as well. Surprise, surprise. Now the colors that are used on her in the light, it looks like it's purple here on camera. It's not actually purple. There's a purple iridescent paint on there that in the light, it certainly does shine purple, but when you just tilt a little bit, you can see it's that weird color that Sailor Pluto has that you don't know if it's gray or green or purple or black, but they found an even more questionable color for Pluto. But it's perfect and it's adorable, and I love her little candy cane. So cute. Now, last but not least, we have Sailor Saturn. So she comes with a cute little stocking, and her little brooch there is, of course, from the 3rd season. So yeah, her colors are the same as what we are used to and what we would expect. This is definitely a purple used for Sailor Saturn. So that is the complete set opened up for you. The Petit Chara Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon Christmas Special Guardians of the Outer Planets, minus Chibi Moon, which is fine. It's okay. It's not okay. So are you collecting these, or do you already have these? What are your thoughts on these? I think they're really cute, and I'm happy to have them added into my collection. So far, I am very pleased with the Petit Chara line, and I am excited to get the other ones as they come out.
Aren't they just so cute?
So that about wraps up another video now for Sailor D's Anime Toys and Collectibles. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you made it to the end, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Check out my other video I posted last week. When my channel reaches 750 subscribers, I will be giving away this. This is the... Let's have a closer look. It is the Sailor Moon and Luna glitter version of the Funko Pop, only available at the Go store, and that was available last year, and I picked up an extra one of those to give away on my channel. I also have, tucked away right there, is the Sailor Moon Cutie Moon Rod, but I'm not giving that one away until I hit 1,500 subscribers. But please, please share and like these videos. Share and like the contest video for sure. come check out my toys. Let's open up some things and let's talk about them. Until next time, let's hope it's sooner than later. Have a great day, and I will see you again.